Picture this: your baby has just finished a good feed, but now they are squirming, fussing, and seem uncomfortable. You know they need to burp, but what is the most effective way to help them release that trapped air? It is a common question for many new parents. There is no single best burping position for all babies, as what works well can vary from one little one to another. However, several highly effective techniques can bring quick relief and comfort to your baby after feeding. The goal is to gently help air bubbles rise out of their stomach. The primary reason we burp babies is to help them expel air swallowed during feeding. Babies, especially newborns, tend to swallow a lot of air while nursing or bottle feeding. This trapped air can lead to discomfort, gas, fussiness, and even spit up. Releasing these air bubbles prevents an upset tummy and allows your baby to feel more settled and digest their milk comfortably. One very popular and effective position is holding your baby over your shoulder. Gently place your baby against your chest, with their chin resting on your shoulder, and support their bottom with one hand. With your other hand, gently pat or rub their back. You can also try holding your baby sitting up on your lap, leaning slightly forward, while supporting their chest and head with one hand and patting their back with the other. A third option is to lay your baby face down across your lap, supporting their head slightly higher than their body, and then gently pat their back. Remember to listen for your baby's cues. Some babies might need burping more frequently, while others might only need it once or twice. Many parents find it helpful to burp their baby halfway through a feeding and again at the end, especially if they are prone to gas. Gentle pats are usually more effective than rubbing, as the slight vibration helps dislodge the air bubbles. By understanding why burping is so important and trying different gentle positions, you can quickly find what works best for your unique little one. This knowledge will bring comfort to your baby and greater confidence and peace of mind to you as a parent, ensuring smoother, happier feeding times for everyone.